Looking to explore career or business opportunities in Singapore? The Employment Pass, or the EP, is your key. For foreign professionals stepping into executive, managerial, or specialized roles, the Employment Pass is your gateway to a flourishing career in Singapore's vibrant ecosystem. Business owners and investors can also qualify for an Employment Pass if they meet additional criteria. But, what does it take to secure an Employment Pass? Key criteria include having a Singapore-registered company sponsor, meeting the minimum salary requirement, and having relevant work experience and qualification. However, starting from September 2023, both the candidate and the employing company must reach a 40-point score under the new Compass system to be eligible for an Employment Pass, making the approval process more stringent. If navigating these requirements might seem daunting to you, that's exactly where we, at One Visa, come in. With a decade of experience and thousands of success stories, we specialize in tailoring solutions to your unique needs. With One Visa, we turn the complexity of the process into simplicity. We simplify the EP process for you, explaining eligibility, preparing precise documents, and leveraging our expertise to build a strong case that maximizes your chances of success. At One Visa, we provide more than just a service, we offer a commitment to your success. Our mission is to make your transition to Singapore as smooth and worry-free as possible, giving you peace of mind. Contact us today for a free eligibility assessment at www.one-visa.com. Let us help you secure your EP success.